Okay, find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 5, 8 and 7, 12. Okay, so in this case here, we're given 2 points that the line goes through. Now remember, we only need 1 point for an equation of a line, right? But they decided here to give us 2 points. There's a reason for this. If you look closely, what other bit of information do we need for a straight line? Well, of course, not only do we need a point, we also need the gradient. Yeah, we need the m value. They haven't given us the m value here. So we need to think, how can I go about this? How can we use this information to form our equation of a straight line? Okay, so remembering that we need a point, which we've got 2 of them, we can use either one. We could use that one or that one. But we also need the gradient, and we haven't got that. Now think, if we've got 2 points, okay, think about 2 points being drawn on a grid. We could join those 2 points, couldn't we? I could draw a line from here to here, and we could work out the gradient, couldn't we? We could actually work out the gradient using this formula, y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So in this case, y2 will be 12, y1 will be 8, okay? All over then x2, which is 7, x1, which is 5. So we end up having 4 on the top, 2 on the bottom, so the gradient is 2. Okay, so then when it comes to doing my equation of a straight line, okay, it really doesn't matter which coordinate you go for. Okay, you could go for either one, you'll end up with the same answer. So let's go for the first coordinate. So y minus 8 is, yeah, because I'm using 5, 8. So 8 is the y value, 2 is the gradient, x minus 5 then for the x value. So I get y minus 8 is 2x minus 10. So then y equals 2x minus 2. And I take that minus 8 over, it becomes a plus 8. And I end up with that, okay? Now let me just prove to you that it'll come out the same if I use the other coordinate. So if I use that one there, so my y1 would be 12, gradient is 2, my x1 is 7, so I have y minus 12 is 2x minus 14. Take that minus 12 over, becomes a plus 12, minus 14, plus that 12 gives you minus 2. So you could see they're both the same. You don't have to write it out twice, okay? I'm just showing you that it doesn't matter which one you use. You can see there that it works either way, so it's your choice then. When it comes to B, again, we've got a straight line that goes through these 2 points. So a line joining these 2 points, we can work out the gradient. So y2 is 6, y1 is negative 1. Or all over x2, which is minus 1, take away x1, which is 2. Okay, so if I work this out, I get a negative as my answer, 7/3. Okay, that's what that comes out to be. So then when I do my straight line equation, y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. I've got y minus, well, let's choose that point. So minus 1 for the y value. Gradient is minus 7/3. x1 is 2. So I get that there. So what I do here is I would change this to be y plus 1, okay? And then think then, well, I could, you know, because it's a fraction, you take that 3 over the other side and multiply, that would be much better. And then I get, expand this, 3y plus 3, expand this, minus 7x plus 14, and I times that out there. That means then I've got 3y plus 7x equals to 11. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you finish off at the end, how you leave it. Okay, I've decided in this case to take that minus 7x over, take the 3 that side, but it doesn't matter which way you leave your final answer, unless it's specified in the question. Okay.